Mary, what happened?
Our brother, Lazarus, has died.
Where is he? Take away the stone.
But my Lord, he has been dead 4 days.
If you believe, you will see the glory of God. Father, I'm grateful that you heard my prayers. Now help me show these people why you put me on this earth. Lazarus, come out.